Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove or add your shortcuts in Google Chrome. So first of all, I'll show you my home page in Google Chrome. As you can see, there are various shortcuts in my Google Chrome right here. So you can basically add any shortcut you like here. You just type in this name and type in the URL, for example, instagram.com. Once you do this, it says shortcut already exists, but you can add in a new one like this. And if you want to remove any of your shortcuts particularly, you just have to click on these three dots right here and then tap on remove. This will automatically remove these shortcuts, or if you want to entirely turn off this shortcut section, then you tap on this customize Chrome at the bottom, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see there is an option for shortcuts. You can just toggle it off and all of your shortcuts will be turned off. And you can do the same if you want to turn them back on. And you can also choose from my shortcuts that you have customized, or you can choose most visited sites, so that will open up the most visited sites on your browser. And that's how you can easily turn on and off your shortcuts on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.